Welcome to Felt the Food. I'm Phoebe, the maker of the original DIY kit that allows you to begin making felt food today. Join me in the craft kitchen for today's make. Today in the craft kitchen, we are making a smoothie bowl. Let me show you how to make these adorable kiwi slices. Using the thread shown, remove and cut roughly half of the thread. Here's a pro tip. Go slowly and carefully. Untwist as you divide. Thread your needle by gently inserting the thread through the eye of the needle and pulling your thread through about halfway. In one hand you will have your needle, and in the other you will have the longest end of your thread. Using your needle, take the strands and divide so that you have only one thread. Holding firmly, wrap all of your thread around 3 times. Hold onto the knot and pull it all the way until you get back to the end. Line up your kiwi patterns so that the white is in the center. Insert your needle through the back of both patterns to create an applique whip stitch. Put your needle down and watch what I am doing. Continue to create your own unique pattern around the entire white circle. Have fun with this part. Rethread your needle with 3 strands of black thread. Create simple running stitches on both sides of your kiwi slice. To secure the thread on the back of your pattern, you will want to use your needle to pick up a small amount of felt. In one hand, hold the loop and insert your needle, wrapping the thread around 3 times. Pull the thread through and you will notice you have made a secure knot. Before we begin, make sure that your pattern is facing out on both sides. Now we're going to put these 2 patterns together. We're going to do this using the blanket stitch. To begin your blanket stitch, you will insert through the back pattern. Now go through the top pattern and run your needle through to create that loop. This is going to be the start of your blanket stitch. I want you to put your needle down and watch again as I do this. Again, this is the start of your blanket stitch. Your next stitch will go through both pieces, and before securing, you will go back through the loop. Feel free to put your needle down and watch as I do a few of these stitches. Notice I am keeping the extra allowance and simply tucking it behind the pattern. Don't forget to use a simple running stitch to ensure the sides don't lift up. If this is confusing, put your needle down and watch what I'm doing. To attach the other side of your kiwi slice, we're going to use the blanket stitch. Repeat this until you have gone halfway to your pattern. At that point, it will be time to begin stuffing. Once you are beginning to make your final stitch, you will want to go back over 2 or 3 stitches in order to secure everything. On your last stitch, make your final loop, and before securing, hold onto the loop and wrap the needle around 3 times, going through the loop one final time to make a knot. Hold the knot to ensure the knot is as close to the pattern as possible. Feel free to put your needle down and watch as I do this. Insert your needle right next to your knot and go through your pattern to lose the thread. Carefully cut and fluff your pattern to remove any trace of loose thread. Congratulations! You have made a kiwi slice. If you loved this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't wait to see what you make next.